Hi, I'm Miss Iris, Children's Library Assistant with Durham County Library. And today we are going to talk about camp songs and sing a few and just kind of have an indoor camp out. Have you ever been to camp? Have you ever been camping and sat around the campfire and sang songs and made s'mores or grilled out marshmallows on the fire? Well, you can do the same thing on the inside, except without the fire, of course. So today we're going to make a marshmallow treat, which is going to be our s'more, and we'll do that indoors, and we'll show you what it takes to make a simple, yummy camp treat. And before we do that, we're just going to sing a couple of songs that is fun to do, and usually a lot of these songs are sung around campfires. Okay, let's go with our first song, and we'll sing each one twice so that you can maybe chime in with me if you know the words, okay? First song, let's go. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people all will shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, na 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 na. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. All right, good one. Okay, here's the second one. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother would say, have you ever seen a moose kissing a goose? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, down by my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother would say, have you ever seen a dragon pulling a wagon? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother would say, have you ever seen a llama wearing pajamas? Down by the bay. That was a really silly one, wasn't it? Okay, let's go on to our third camping song. Are you ready? My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me again. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Alrighty, our last song, and we'll do it twice. And the second verse, we'll try to do it a little faster. This is a harder one to do faster, but we'll try it. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? Okay, let's do it a little faster. Do your ears hang low? Can you wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? See how hard that was the second time? Let's try to get it, because I kind of messed up a little bit on that second one. Did you? Okay, let's do it for the last time. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Do you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? All right, that was a tongue twister, but it's a good one to sing around the campfire. Okay, so those are some songs that I wanted to share with you that you could sing inside and just kind of huddle with friends and family just to have fun. So for our campfire treat, as you can see, I've got a whole graham cracker that I've completely broken in half. And then I've got a Hershey's candy bar that I've broken in half. And all we do is just a plain Hershey's candy bar, and you put it right on top of 1/2 of your graham cracker. Then I have 2 large marshmallows that I'll just put right in the center. Now what you can do is you can put it in the oven on broil for maybe a minute. But what I'm gonna do to even make it a faster treat is to put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And then we'll have a yummy, yummy treat. What we want the chocolate to do is to get soft and a little melty. We want the marshmallows to melt a little bit so that we can put the second half of our graham cracker on top, smush it down, and take a bite. So we will be right back once I put this graham cracker, some more treat, in our microwave for about 20 seconds. All right, here we are. I thought 20 seconds would do it, but it actually was about 15 to 16 seconds. So you see how the marshmallows are a little melty, and so is the chocolate. So now we're able to put our second half right on top. Woo! Do you see how smushy it is? Look at that. Ooh. We're gonna, woo! Look at all of that. Okay, let's take a bite. Mmm. Yeah, it's a messy treat, but it's so yummy. Okay. Here we go. Mmm. 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 Well, I think they're looking good. Only a campfire treat. It's called a s'more. So if you have never made these inside, you can make them. It's so easy to do. Most of us have graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallow right in the house in our pantry. So hopefully I'm cleaned up. Thank you so much for watching and singing camp songs with me and having a camp treat. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.